How to set Samsung email limit retrieval size on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Samsung email app. Now in the inbox view, tap on the menu key, then tap on settings. In the email settings, go down to the accounts section and open up one of the email accounts. Next, scroll down and tap on limit retrieval size. From here, you can select headers only, 2K, 50 kilobits, and then you got 100, 300, and no limit or no limit, including attachments. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.